personal bonhomie that we have seen. The personal chemistry between the two leaders is well known here. Geeta, we have that image on our screens. Let's go full frame with that picture that we have now of Prime Minister Modi and Russian President Vladimir Putin, who are now traveling in the same car to the destination of their bilateral meeting. This bilateral meeting is of very important nature, given how significant it is, given the backdrop of India being punished, punitive tariffs, almost 25% being imposed on India because India bought crude oil from Russia. Prime Minister Modi essentially highlighting, the two leaders choosing to highlight and tell the West that this is an all-weather friendship here, Geeta, a friendship which has weathered many storms, and how Russia and India have stood firmly with each other.
Well, on a lighter note, Maria, it's like the two leaders are carpooling, saying, okay, we have to go to the same destination, might as well sit in one car.
And that's a good way of analyzing it, actually.
And they're headed to Ritz-Carlton, which is where they're going to hold that meeting. But this picture was taken just moments ago. So in some time, you will be seeing the first pictures come of the big meeting between President Putin and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is significant. It's going to be a very important one, like I have been saying it, because this comes after all the backlash that India has received from the White House, from President Trump, for having bought Russian oil at the time when Russia really needed a friend. India stood by Russia, India stood by President Putin. So, yeah, we'll have to wait and see what comes of this meeting and how they're looking at resolving this entire crisis. One important way of resolving the crisis, Maria, again, would be if President Putin and President Zelensky come to the talking table, negotiate terms and conditions, and find peace, lasting peace, not temporary ceasefire, because that's the only way that President Trump will then have the honor of having actually mediated a peace between two countries rather than the one that he claims to have, which is India-Pakistan. But he'd actually have the honor of having mediated peace between two very important and countries that have been fighting for a very, very long time.